So, hello my friends, welcome again. This is your host and host Prathamesh, and welcome to the fresh episode of my channel, The Nature Hobbies. So, आप आज सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं ये डब्बा लेके ये थर्मोकोल लेके क्या कर रहा हूँ and ये कैसी पट्टियाँ हैं. So again, I'm going to be doing the same thing. जैसे मेरा it's my favorite hobby to recycle things, make best out of waste, and pursue a nature hobby. So welcome to my channel again, The Nature Hobbies. So today what we are going to do is we are going to organize my stash. As you can see, this is my stash, and this is the stash of this is like a reserve go down of the aquatic and sort of plants which are being used for making terrariums. So as you all know, I always say that aquatic plants do really good in the terrarium as far as what I have experienced. So but as you can see, this stash of mine, this dabba which I have randomly kept all the aquatic plants which are growing haywire, and मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा कि कहाँ पे कौन सा प्लांट गया हुआ है. So what I need to do is I need to organize this immersed setup of mine. But so far what I have kept, and I have kept the plants directly in the water. So what I'm going to try to do now is I'm going to plant these plants in a setup where I'm going to be layering the bottommost layer with normal garden soil, fertilizer, organic fertilizer, and then a little bit of water, and then I'm going to plant. I'm going to make some sections, and I'm going to plant each and every species of plant in a different section and cubicle. Stay tuned, dekhte raho, and let's see how to do it in the most cheapest way. So friends, what I'm doing here right now is I'm removing all the excess growth of plants. जो plants आपके बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गए हैं, उसको मैं remove कर रहा हूँ. I'm especially going to separate. As you all know, in this stash I had this water trident. Then I have some cryptocorynes. You see, these are the leaves of cryptocoryn. Then this is some hydrographia, not hydrographia, but some hydrographia species. This is my favorite, the Ludwigia. And then I have some this is Ludwigia repens, I have some Ludwigia ovalis, and then there are some small other plants. So I am going to remove the cryptocorynes away from these plants, and I am going to completely remove this water trident out of this plant. So by using these tongs, I am carefully removing the small cuttings with the roots. You can see this, they have cuttings with the roots from this stash, and keeping it separately according to the species. I found one runner, on let's say one rhizome of the cryptocoryne, which I'll be keeping separately. Then let's see, I am completely discarding this water trident because नहीं चाहिए मेरे को ये. अगर रखा भी मैंने तो एक हाथ दूसरा रखूँगा, but majority of this water trident I don't want, so I'm going to be separating. So hello guys, so as you can see, I have found a lot of cuttings of plants. This first one is the Ludwigia repens, which I have found. The second is the string of pearls. Third is the Ludwigia ovalis, 3 cuttings I think. This is the cryptocoryne green. This is however Ludwigia sp mini super red. This is alternata reginica, I found around 2-3, and these are the hydrographia, not hydrographia, but hydrographia polyspermia, and some rotala macranda, rotala indica. I don't know what species exactly it is, but it is. And you can see this, my friends. So this is the same box in which we are going to plant. So as a base layer, I am going to be putting some, not much, but some is locally available bioorganic fertilizer, or you can simply use cow dung fertilizer. This is the cow dung fertilizer I am using. Simply layer it up. A small layer would do just fine, not even an inch thick, just a centimeter thick. That's it. Maybe around somewhere around uh, 100 grams of fertilizer is enough. Just use a tool, spread it out equally and nicely. Okay, simply pick up the container as well. Okay, and this time I'm not using any of this Vishaka's kitchen tools, or else she'll be mad with me. Okay, that's it. Simply. Next step, very simple. The garden soil. Okay, pour it down. Simply. खाली डाल दो बस आराम से. Maybe 1 inch thick layer would be more than enough. That's it. Okay, fine, absolutely fine. Okay, spread it out evenly. Use a tool. Okay, very good. Then the most important part, हमने इसके parts बनाने हैं. So I'm going to be using this patti, which I have cut properly according to the measurement. Okay, like this. As you can see, this will make a good compartment inside this box. Slightly bigger in size. इसको तोड़ देंगे, तोड़ के फेंक देंगे, and there we go. That's it. You can see the compartments. Then we'll slightly pour a little more soil. Okay, and that's it. That's it. Okay, fine. That's it. Now just simply pour some water. Let the entire soil equalize. Okay. That's it. And just simply pick up each and every plants, break the roots, break the stem, and straight away plant in. There we go. Simple. Maybe if you want to be a little more per se sophisticated, you can use this are Ludwigia repens. I'm just planting it simply. इसको मैं प्लांट तक नहीं करूँगा, मैं इसको बस छोड़ दूँगा ऐसे ही. I'll be just leaving it. Remove this roots. नहीं चाहिए अपने roots. That's it.